Okay, on today's how-to of the day, we are going to be replacing some bonnet struts. Now, bonnet struts are no different to your tailgate struts or whatever other struts. Majority use the same principle. Okay, now someone will say, why are you doing it when the bonnet is holding up? What you can't see is that someone has severely bent them so that they will hold the bonnet up. I don't suggest you do this. This is for emergency, I suppose. No other reason why you would do this. For the sake of $20 or $30, you will just replace it. Now, how do we replace it? This little clip here, metal clip, it needs to come off, and there is one on the bottom as well. And for this exercise, all we need is a screwdriver. Okay, I'm only going to show on one for the sake of the video. Basically, that's all you got to do, is you need to get it out of the way. You don't have to remove it fully because you might flick at you, but that's all you got to do. Once you've done that, just relieve the tension of the bonnet. There it is. That's all. That's all you have to do. No more, no less. And you get the new one and you pop it on. Done. Right. For the purpose of the video, off camera, I've gone and unclipped all four of the strut clips. Same on the other side. And I've got the strut ready to go there, and the same here. So all I'm going to do is just rest the bonnet on my shoulder, remove the old strut and put the new one in. One, nice and bent compared to two. Right, bottom, just like that. Top, just like that. I will do the exact same thing on the other side, but there's no sense in wasting any more of your time. You get the idea. Thank you very much for watching today's How to Pete. We'll see you in the next one.